Hey, what's up, guys? This is Don Mega today. We are on the train going to Munich Airport, starting our trip to Thailand, Phuket. Just a word of advice: if you're going to use the German train system, make sure you have situations such as delays, train repairs. Just be very cautious with the German train system, DB. Very scary, if you know what I mean. What's up, Juice World? Hey, what's up? This is the new shit. We're on the train.
We are on the plane right now, about to hit up Thailand. Let me show y'all the plane real quick.
And then, what you got? What you sipping on?
Some Jack Daniels to get me right for the plane, for the flight.
Me, I don't like that brown. I like that white. That Bacardi. Shout out to Oscar Renteria, my cousin Bambino. He put me on that Bacardi. But we about to take this flight. We're going to Muscat?
Muscat. Yeah, we're going to Muscat, and then we flying from Muscat to Phuket.
Muscat to Phuket. He's taking his sleeping medicine. I think it's success now. We finally got on the airplane. Finally got to where we need to be, out of Germany and the train system.
We had a few little complications to begin with, but we're here. That's all that mattered. So.
Hope y'all know that. But yep. We'll see y'all in the next go around. Going to Phuket, Thailand.
This bitch about to take off.
About to take off. People need to sit down in airplanes sometimes, you know. Just relax. Get on the airplane, relax. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy the air. What you sipping on, fam?
I ain't sipping on shit right now, but I'm about to take this last little shot.
What you got?
Same shit. Motherfucking Jack Daniels.
Here, hit me.
What you sipping on, fam?
Sipping on that white. Sipping on that little Bacardi, you know. Hold up. Let me go ahead and do my thing first. Let's see. $10, I could drink the whole bottle. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Enjoy life sometimes. Enjoy life. Check it. You hear that music? What the fuck was that noise? The engine?
Hey, let me back up. This plane about to take the fuck off, for real. No cap. You know what, YouTube? While he's at it, let me pop this bitch open.
Holla at you, boy.
Give me. What is this? Like round 3? I don't even know. This like round 3. Anyways, it's like round 3, so cheers to everybody out there who can't ever in their life get a flight to Thailand. Cheers.
Oh my God.
To the head. Damn, I can't even put the cap back on.
First class. What y'all know about that first class? Y'all know nothing about that first class. Look, we get pillows. See that pillow?
You see that motherfucking blanket? You see that motherfucking blanket?
Look, got TVs in the headrest.
I'm about to watch a movie. What's playing? You get the memo.
You understand, you know how to count, you know what time it is.
You know what time it is.
You know how to count.
سوف نقوم بعد قليل بتخفيض الإضاءة المقصورة أثناء الإقلاع.
Let me hit that.
شكرا.
Shukran, my people.
We will shortly be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. If you would like to...
What you know about that first class? We're almost in Phuket, about to land. That was the landing. Good job, Oman Airlines. Good job, team.